Hello everyone, I am Bhavleen and you are watching my channel BK Tech. Today in this video we will complete exercise 1.1 chapter number 1 class 7 maths Ncert. So let's start with the question number 3. Question number 3 on the screen. In a quiz, team A scored -40, 10 and 0 and team B scored 10, 0, -40 in 3 successive rounds. Which team scored more? Can we say that we can add integers in any order? So in this question, they have told that in a quiz, there are two teams, team A and team B, and they have given the marks of each team in 3 successive rounds. Like team A scored -40, 10 and 0. Team B scored 10, 0 and -40. So now, first of all, we will calculate the total of team A and the total of team B. Because in the question, they have asked that which team of the two has scored more. So first of all, we will do the total of both the teams. After that, we will check which team's score is more. So let's start. In team A, -40, 10 and 0. So 0 is having no value. So first of all, what we will do is we will add plus sign in all these numbers because we have to add these. So let's put plus sign. -40 plus 10 plus 0. Now let's add them. You leave 0 because 0 is not having any value. Okay. Let's do -40 and 10. So this is plus and minus. We know that whenever there is one positive and one negative number, we always subtract the numbers. So let's subtract them. 40 minus 10 is 30. By following big brother rule, we will put minus sign in front of 30 because 40 is the bigger number and the sign of 40 is minus. So in the answer, we will put the minus sign by following the big brother rule. Now let's do total of team B. So let's first of all put the plus sign in the numbers. 10 plus minus 0 plus -40. Now let's add them. First of all, we have to change the sign. As I have told you, whenever a number is in the bracket and उसके सामने एक और sign लगा होता है, so we have to change the sign. So let's change the sign first. 10 plus 0 plus minus -40. Now 0 is not having any value, so leave 0. Now let's subtract these two numbers. Actually, we have to add them, but they are one positive and one negative number. So we will subtract them. The answer will be 30. By following big brother rule, we will put minus sign over here because out of 10 and 40, the bigger number is 40. So 40 is following a minus sign. So in the answer, we will put the minus sign by following big brother rule. So now, both the teams have scored the same. -30 and -30. So what we will write at the end? That both the teams scored the same, like this. So after that, one more question they have asked in the question, that can we say that we can add the integers in any order? Yes, of course we can add the integers in any order, because see, if we will take this minus 40 in the place of 10, and in the place of 10, sorry, in the place of minus 40 we will put 10. Like, let me write and then explain it to you, otherwise you will not be able to understand. I'm saying that in the place of minus 40 we place 10, and in the place of 10 we place minus 40, and 0 as it is. Can't we get the same answer? We will then also get the same answer. So we can add the integers in any order. In team B also, we can change the integers. We can change the position of the integers, and after changing the position of the integers also, we will get the same answer, that is minus 30. So at the end, after writing both the teams scored the same, you will write, yes, we can add the integers in any order. Now let's come on to question number 4. Question number 4 on the screen. Fill in the blanks to make the following statements true. So they have given the statements to you and you have to fill in the blanks. So let's do the A part. So now the first part is minus 5 plus minus 8 equals to minus 8 plus equals plus dash. This is the blank, we have to fill in this blank. Now let's see. First of all, they have written minus 5 plus minus 8. After that, there is a equals to sign. After that, they have written minus 8 over here, but minus 5 is missing here. So we will write minus 5 over here. If anyone is having any doubt in this part, if you have not understood, you can comment me or you can contact me on my WhatsApp number that I've given you in my previous video. Please check my previous video and you can contact me on my WhatsApp number, or you can comment me on YouTube only below this video in the comment section. So its answer is minus 5, because minus 5 was missing. Now let's come on to the second part. The second part is minus 53 plus dash equals to minus 53. Ab, let's understand this part. They have given minus 53 and they have told what to add. इसमें हमें क्या ऐड करना चाहिए कि आंसर जो है वो नंबर itself आए. तो क्या ऐड करेंगे? We will add 0 over here so that जब हम इस नंबर में 0 ऐड करें तो आंसर वही आए. So the answer is 0. Now let's come to the third part. The third part is 17 plus dash equals to 0. Now friends, if you remember, we have done question number 1 of exercise 1.2 C part. Question number 1 C part we have done. In that C part they have told sum is 0. Any two integers whose sum is 0. So I have told you that if we add one positive and one negative number, so the answer is 0. But both the numbers should be same. Like here is 17. So यहाँ पे भी 17 ही होना चाहिए. But ये positive है तो वो negative होना चाहिए. दो एक नेगेटिव और एक पॉजिटिव नंबर होना चाहिए, लेकिन जो दो नंबर्स हैं वो सेम होने चाहिए, तब हमारा आंसर आएगा 0. So I hope अब आपको समझ में आ गया होगा कि what will come in the blank. The answer will be minus 17, because when we add 17 and minus 17, they both cancel each other and the answer is 0. So the answer is minus 17. Now let's come on to the fourth part. So the fourth part is 13 plus minus 12. They are in the bracket. This big bracket is there. Plus dash equals to 13 plus 12 plus minus 7. Again they are in the bracket. Friends, see, these types of questions are not difficult. They are instead very easy. Only what you have to do in these types of questions is, first of all, see which number is missing. Like for example, 13 is there, then 12 is there, 7 is missing. Minus 7 is missing. So here the answer will be minus 7. These are not very difficult questions. They are instead very easy. Just you have to see which number is missing and put that number in the blank. So its answer is minus 7. Now let's come on to the fifth part. So the fifth part is minus 4 plus 15 plus minus 3 equals to minus 4 plus 15 equals to dash. So now again this is the same type of question like fourth part. So what I have told you just right now, that in these types of questions you have to check which number is missing. So here 4 is there, 15 is there, minus 3 is missing. So you will put minus 3 in the blank. So this was question number 4 of exercise 1.1. So by this question we complete exercise 1.2 of chapter number 1, class 7 maths NCERT. Now let's come on to the examples.